Hello everyone, I'm Glenn Wilson with OptiStar Technology Consultants, and today I'd like to review how to use OptiStar's Egnyte file server tools to share files with colleagues, clients, and outside vendors. Now let's begin with managing folder permissions to share a folder with an internal colleague. Now you can do this by selecting a folder and then selecting the Share option from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Share menu, you would select Manage Folder Permissions. This opens a window that displays the folder's current permissions. Now you can add your colleague by typing their name or their email address in the invitation space below, and then selecting the level of permission that you want to assign to them. These levels are Viewer, which can see and download files, Editor, which can do the same as Viewer, plus has edit permissions, Full adds the ability to delete files, and Owner has everything Full has, but also has the ability to manage these permissions. Now, after filling these out and clicking Done, your colleague will receive notification that they have been invited to access this folder. Simple as that. Now, another situation that might arise is the need to share some large files with a client or a vendor. Now the files are too large to send by email, so you need a way to grant the client access to your folder on the server containing these files. Now you can do this by again selecting the folder that you wish to share, and then again selecting the Share option from the drop-down menu. Only this time you will be selecting the Share Folder Link option from the submenu. Now this window that appears gives you the option to get the link or email the link. But before doing so, though, you should consider clicking the Change Link Options hyperlink. Here, you can adjust the access permissions for the recipient of the link, which helps secure the information. Who will have access allows you to allow any user without an existing account to access the folder. If you choose any of the other options, your recipient will need to create an account to access the folder. Now, it's highly recommended that you set an expiration date on the link to prevent a permanent link to your file server from existing. These other two choices are fairly optional. Notify me when the link is clicked can be useful if you want to verify that the recipient is using the link you send them, but it can get noisy if they click the link too often. Adding the folder name to the link can help your recipient keep track of which link is to which folder in case they receive a lot of these links. Now, after you choose your options, you can then click to get the link to copy the link and paste it into an existing source, or you can select the email link option, which opens the message within your email client. And that's that. Now, you may want to share a file with an outside client or a vendor, but not give them access to a folder on your file server. Now you can do this again by selecting the folder, clicking Share from the drop-down menu, and this time selecting Request Files from Others. Now this sends a link to your recipient that allows them to upload files into your folder without seeing the contents of your folder. Now again, it is highly recommended that you set an expiration date for this link to prevent those permanent access links to our file servers. You can also select the option to create separate folders for files received from each person. Now, this can help you organize the uploads based on who is uploading the files. Now, again, you will then select either Get Link or Email Link options and continue. There you go. 3 easy ways to share folders from your OptiStar Cloud file server solution with other people. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.